So Sydney and I found this unbelievable deal here in Parrish, Florida at Prosperity Lakes. This is Lennar's active adult community, so it's 55 and older, but this home is too good not to show you, so I wanted to have you walk around with me. It is called the Eventide plan. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage, about 2,600 square feet, and you're not gonna believe the price. Let me show you around. So all these homes have brick paver driveways, tile roofs as well. Smart home package, so you get a key, keypad door lock, Ring doorbell camera, all integrated right into the home and with your phone as well. Right up front, we have 1 bedroom here with its own bath. We have a separate kind of dining area or entertaining area. A huge main living area here that looks out over conservation. You can put up a fence here. You get a good space in the back and a nice view. All the kitchens here are gas as well, with your gourmet style kitchen, a nice fully functioning hood. So over here we have a couple bedrooms, or I should say 1 bedroom and its own bathroom. Over here we have the master suite and the master bath. This master bathroom is absolutely huge. You have the 2 separate sinks, your soaking tub, a nice big shower in the back, toilet room off to the right, and then a huge walk-in closet. One kind of cool feature with this product line as well is you have the hookups for your cable and TV and whatnot. Makes it super easy to just connect and run the cables, already set up for you. This is also the only product line here in Prosperity Lakes with the active adult that has tray ceilings and 8-foot doors. But what's kind of coolest with this particular floor plan is kind of a secret room. And this might be for you northerners that are moving down with some extra storage from a basement. But you come in here to a finished garage, epoxied floors, you have 2 garage door openers, you have your air handler right here. But right here is a secret room that you might think is just storage or maybe something for like an air handling system, but it's actually an unfinished basement in your attic, if you want to think of it like that. So let's check this out. So up here, you have plenty of space to make this a man cave, a she shed, extra storage, a hideout room, whatever you need. There is electricity, there's no air conditioning, but it's easy to set up a little air conditioning unit if you needed to. So if you're looking to move to the area, especially here in Parrish and need more of an active adult community, let us know, we'd be happy to help. This particular home, 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage, extra storage, dining space, huge living area, great lot. It's actually under $420,000. Let us know if you want more information.